Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming precisely which quick support module you have, because uninstall paths differ across builds. Once identified, export settings and note any license or ID numbers, since removal can erase them. Close all active remote connections and stop the service. This prevents files from being in use. If a GUI is unavailable, open Task Manager or Activity Monitor and end related processes. Make sure to run with administrative privileges, so file and registry changes will succeed. Now proceed to uninstall through the System App Manager, Control Panel on Windows, Settings Apps on newer builds, or Applications folder on Mac OS. Once the uninstaller finishes, check Program Files and User App Data folders for leftover directories related to quick support and delete them. On Mac OS, inspect /library for launch agents and plists. Then remove startup entries and drivers. On Windows, you can use regedit carefully to delete keys that reference the app. This ensures no hidden services restart the tool. Finish by rebooting the machine so any in-use files are released and startup items are refreshed. Then verify the app no longer appears in lists. Run a cleanup or anti-malware scan to detect disguised remnants or helpers that persist. If standard removal fails, boot to safe mode and repeat deletion steps, or run the vendor's dedicated removal utility if available. If problems persist, check logs for permission errors. Then run the uninstall as administrator or remove locked files with a bootable recovery environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.